Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many MacBook Pro users might face. The issue at hand revolves around the uncertainty regarding the presence of a small PC battery in the motherboard of Apple MacBook Pro, Core i5 2.3 13-inch early 2011, and Apple MacBook Pro Core i7 2.9 13-inch mid-2012 models. It's crucial to know whether these laptops utilize this type of battery, and if so, what specific model each one requires. Let's dive into this problem and find the solution together. Let's talk about the solution now. Interestingly, there are no batteries present in the Mac portables we mentioned earlier. Instead, the laptops rely on capacitors and the main battery to function effectively. This information comes from reliable sources and clarifies the confusion around the need for a small PC battery in these MacBook models. It's fascinating how technology evolves to find alternative solutions, isn't it? In summary, we've discovered that the Apple MacBook Pro Core i5 2.3 13-inch early 2011 and Apple MacBook Pro Core i7 2.9 13-inch mid-2012 do not incorporate small PC batteries in their motherboards. By utilizing capacitors and the main battery, these laptops successfully manage their power requirements without the need for additional components. We hope this clears up any confusion regarding the battery setup in these Mac portables. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop us a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious and tech savvy.